Hi, I'm John. We're here today at Start Safety in Worcester and we're going to show you how you can install your wheel stops. This is the Ridgeback, perfect for cars and vans for commercial and residential application. When considering the position, what we recommend is a 750 to 800 millimeter distance from the obstacle you're hoping to avoid. But also, in this case, we have to consider the downpipe. Thank you for watching this edition on how to install wheel stops with Start Safety. For further information, go to the website, which is startsafety.uk, or you can contact our team on 01905 794 875.